In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to pay an international invoice using Wise. If you need to pay a vendor in another country, Wise can make the process straightforward and more transparent, especially when you already have the invoice details ready. The key to a smooth payment is making sure all the information matches the invoice exactly. So before you begin, take a moment to review everything carefully. Start by gathering the invoice details you'll need. This usually includes the recipient's IBAN, SWIFT code, or routing number, depending on the country and bank format. You'll also want the vendor's name exactly as it appears on the invoice, along with the local currency they want to be paid in. Having these details in front of you before you open Wise will help you avoid delays or errors during setup. Once you're ready, open Wise and click Send. When prompted, choose the vendor's local currency, not your own, if the goal is to pay the invoice in the currency requested. This is important because it helps ensure the recipient gets the expected amount and reduces confusion around exchange rates or conversion on their side. Next, select Add Recipient and enter the vendor's international bank details. As you do this, pay close attention to every number and letter. Bank information needs to be accurate, and even a small typo can cause a transfer to fail or be delayed. It's a good idea to compare what you enter with the invoice one more time before moving on. You'll also want to include the invoice reference number. This step is easy to overlook, but it's extremely useful for the vendor. Adding the reference helps them match your payment to the correct invoice quickly, which can prevent follow-up emails and make your payment easier to track on both sides. Finally, choose how you want to pay. Wise typically gives you a few options, such as a local bank transfer, a debit card, or your Wise balance if you already have funds available there. Pick the method that works best for you, then review the full payment summary before confirming. This is your final chance to check the recipient details, the currency, and the invoice reference. Once everything looks correct, submit the payment and keep the confirmation for your records. That's it. With the right invoice details and a careful review before sending, paying an international vendor through Wise can be quick, organized, and reliable.